What is going on, peeps? I'm like, where's the camera on my phone? Oh, I don't know if it's that one or that one. I can't look and look at the same time. But anyways, I wish I could switch this around. One sec. I had to stop the video. But these are coil springs that were on the truck. They were originally gray, I think. Maybe powder coated, I'm not sure. But they were flaking and really not completely rusted through. You can see some pitteds because I brought them to my friend's place to get them sandblasted. Well, I sandblasted them. He's got the bin there. But this is like a Rust-Oleum aluminum look. It's nice, it's gray. They're nicely painted, no more rust. I got the drums that I taped off and I'm just painting them to prevent some rust. Just continually working. The caliper on the passenger side, the piston is like cracked, so that's no good anymore. But you can see this cleaned up really well. I'm just going to keep going with it. I got the other side. I got the new hydraulic line in on this side. This has been built back up. Woohoo! New water pump, new accessory strap, or whatever you want to call it, serpentine belt, idler here. I did the AC delete because the clutch was seizing up and the engine was running really bad, and the strap was heating up a lot because it would squeal, and anyways. So that's there. I got a new thermostat, temperature sensor. I painted the housing because it was really bad. I got new hoses. I'm just waiting upon a new radiator, and I'll get some pre-mixed and throw it in there. The only thing I'm worried about is this, if it's on there tight enough. But it was pretty hard to get positioned the way it was, so I'm pretty confident that it's not going to leak. Hopefully, crossing fingers. If not, that'll be fun. We'll have to take all that apart again. But continuing with this side needs to be buffed tomorrow and cleaned up, and I need to change the hydraulic because it's the stock one, and with a lift it's going to tear. Besides that, there's not too much going on today. That was pretty much the day. All that, and I cleaned up and did a little bit more. I assessed a few things. I need new shocks and a stabilizer shock. The shocks are finished on the truck. Technically, I have one good shock out of 5. So, I don't know, I'm debating upon Skyjacker because they're readily available on eBay and they're not too expensive. Or I could go with Bilstein off Rockato for a 4-inch lift. So, anyways, that's all down the line. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, comment, give me some pointers. I don't know. Help me out here, guys. Catch you later. Hello and welcome back. Got my sister's car going here. I'm going to detail it today. That's one of the other things I do in the garage. Got her seat there. I'm going to wash that out and stuff like that. You can see the door jams. Just that everything is filthy. I just got done washing it outside because I'm going to compound it. It's not that it needs it. It doesn't feel contaminated. It feels really smooth to the touch. There's no, like, one instance I see a lot around here is like paint fume. This one is paint fume free. Because a lot of guys, they paint their hood or a fender or whatever and it just fucking fumes everywhere. But let's clean it up. I'm going to compound it, vacuum it, clean it, get her going. There's my sister showing up right now. She's going to give me a hand. Alright, I'm out of here. Alright, I wish it was sunny so you guys could see how good of a job it is, but completely detailed everything in the car. It looks so nice. Alright guys, right now this is what's going on. I just cut my hand too. Anyways, this dryer's been making one hell of a noise for a long time, so I took it apart to see what's going on. And I'm pretty sure there's like 2 wheels that it kind of like balances on. They feel so gunked up and tight. I'm going to see if I can't clean them out. They're over there and get them rolling smoother. But anyways, alright, I'm out of here.